Hello everybody, it's Nino with MidwestGhost Investigators, and I hope you watched the video all the way through to the very end. Please make a comment, hit that like button, it'll help us out. Let us know what you think we should do next, so on and so forth. And for all the MGI Patreons out there, take a look at that bonus content, the outtakes and all that fun stuff. And to become an MGI Patreon, it's just a click of a button away. You click that button, you join, you help us out and continue our study of the paranormal. Until next time, thanks. So alright, it's MidwestGhost Investigators. We're back at Tinker Swiss Cottage for episode 2 of Haunted Social. And yes, this time I decided to join Sarah and Samantha and try out the singing bowls. Alright, Tinkers and Doors, we're back for another one of our meetings. Are you excited?
We have two devices here. We've got the one Nino's holding in his hand, and we've got the ghost box on the floor. Please come up and talk with us.
Rebecca.
Rebecca? Or where'd that go?
If it's Rebecca, that's
Rebecca.
my husband's grandma. Rebecca watches over me.
Oh!
Hi.
Ask her to confirm that.
Can you confirm that Rebecca is Eric's grandmother? Is there a message from Rebecca? Is there a message from the Tinker family?
Tinkers and Doors, did you enjoy the last time we were here?
So I'm hearing a lot of movement back there, like there's the smoking area.
Mm-hmm.
And I swear I'm hearing somebody talking.
I did earlier.
Just, yeah.
Yeah.
I swear I heard somebody talking. I thought that's why you looked
Right.
up.
Let's listen back. After reviewing the digital recorder, we did not catch any EVPs. At this point, we started talking about how I have recently became a board member for the Tinker Swiss Cottage. And then Ghost Tube responded with a name.
Nino's gonna know more than you because he's gonna be reading his guidebook.
That's right.
Oh, you haven't gotten the books. You missed
No,
the
I
last meeting.
haven't.
Remind me to grab those books for you when we leave the carriage house.
You need to read.
There's gonna be a pop quiz at the next board meeting.
Well, I'll probably fail.
You will probably actually be one of the few that do decent. What year was the house built?
1874.
Hannah.
I don't know.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Hannah. Wasn't there a
Hannah's
Hannah?
here? Hannah is Mary's sister.
Is there anything you would like us to do?
Stop.
Stop what?
What would you like us to stop?
That was like in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's not like a radiator cover though.
Yeah, or a pan.
So, at some point in time around the beginning of our investigation, I placed this camera down on the floor in front of my legs facing the library. That thing had started recording, as you can see, for about 7.5 minutes, and then all of a sudden, nothing. During that nothing, that was when we did the first EVP session, asked all those questions, and then I even listened back to the EVP session We didn't catch anything. But then we started to raising our vibrations. Could it be coincidence? Could it be operator error on the camera? The thing about that is I never touched it. It restarted recording, and then all of a sudden, nothing. I don't get it. Raising your vibrations. The whole point behind that was to help open ourselves up more so to communicate with the spirits of the house. Did it work? Yeah. You'll have to see.
Show yourself. Nicholas, I'm trying. What date is it? Fireplace. Louder. Ronald. Fire.
For the next 5 minutes, all is quiet, even the ghost tube.
I'm coming.
Alright, so now we're starting the Estes method with the ghost box, and unlike last time, this time I have a camera facing Samantha who will be listening to the ghost box while Sarah and I ask the questions. Alright, Sam, you ready?
Hi. Hi. How is it? We're just getting started, so thank you for joining us. So what's happening is we're doing the Estes method. So Sam is in the other room, and she's got headphones in, and she's letting us, she's repeating to us whatever comes across her ghost box. So we're going to ask questions, and we'll see if the ghosts answer through the ghost box. And blurt it out. So it's kind of like ghost telephone.
Yeah.
I don't know. Who's here with us tonight? We've heard a lot of noises in the house tonight. Is that you?
No. Okay. Maybe.
So no, okay, maybe. It's a lot to unpack.
Who's talking to Samantha?
Can you say?
Rosie.
Did she say Rosie?
Did you say Rosie? Can you say your name again? Does anyone want to talk with us? You can speak through that box that Sam is holding. She can hear you.
Are you glad we're back? For the last time we were here, we asked her.
You're,
I'm not sure. I thought she said yeah. Yeah.
Last time we were here, you said it was okay for us to come back monthly.
We'll come back every week.
Oh, that's our view.
it's like this.
Once a month.
Can you make a noise for us?
Oh, Coco here.
You did. That was a knock.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was a knock. That was
Yeah, it
loud.
was.
I don't think I've ever had a response to that question
Instantly.
instantly. It sounded like footsteps overhead or something, didn't it?
Wait for it.
Okay.
What are we waiting for? That was like two.
It was.
Boom, boom.
Oh. Oh, right over. Thank you. Can you make another sound for us?
Okay, I'm gonna turn those two back in. Just to see if they match up.
Them.
Who's talking, please? Just I'm looking at myself through the screen. I swear I thought I saw. At first I'm sitting like this.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I saw myself move on there, even though I know I didn't move. And then through the screen from here, I saw a light go from my left shoulder.
Weird.
So what I saw on my camera's viewfinder clearly didn't show up on the video. So it's just another odd experience. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Hit that notification button to keep up to date. Till next time, thanks.